Have you ever wondered why most people work their entire lives just to stay stuck in the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck? The truth is, the education system is designed to teach kids how to follow a process that keeps them working for money, not how to build wealth and become financially free. It's a system that conditions them for the rat race, where you trade your time for money until you retire and hope it's enough. But here's the good news. You don't have to let your kids follow the same broken path. Our Cashflow Engineering course is designed to teach your kids exactly how to break free from the rat race and start building real financial independence. In just a few sessions, your child will learn what the rat race really is and why escaping it is critical, how to manage income and expenses using a balance sheet, investment strategies including land, stocks, loans for assets, and real estate, taught in a way that's really easy to understand and apply. We're not just teaching theory, we're showing your kids how to take action towards financial freedom starting now. Here's how it works. The first step is to enroll your child in our Cashflow Engineering course. Then, they'll learn financial strategies through interactive lessons and our hands-on cash flow game. They'll get to apply these lessons in real-life financial scenarios, building confidence and critical thinking. By the end of the course, your kids won't just understand money, they'll know how to make money work for them instead of working tirelessly for money. Imagine this, in just a few weeks, your kids will have gained the financial advantage that 99% of the people will never have. They'll know how to spot opportunities for wealth building. They'll create how to create a balance sheet making smarter financial decisions. Most importantly, they'll know how to take control of their financial future instead of being controlled by it. This isn't just about money. This is about giving your child the tools for freedom, security, and the choice for the rest of their life. If you're ready to set your child up for financial success, drop a line below and I'll send you all the details on how to get access to this powerful financial literacy course for free. No strings attached. Let's help your kids build the financial confidence to achieve their biggest goals.